let's do it. So okay, let me explain you a little bit. This side is for brightening, the light, and this side, you see it right here, it's 3 reset right there. So you can reset trip, press and hold, B, press and hold. Okay, you're good here. And then the next step right there. Okay, use this one, inform, and screw it down. See, screwing down with this one, down to maintain it, press, and then oil. Okay, reset, press in the middle, and then back up, and then oil filter, press in the middle right there, and then reset, and then I got a tire and the other. Yeah, for the other you don't have to do nothing because not include the oil change, so I didn't do that. So just leave like that. Okay, inform, and then screw it down in the middle, the center, screw, then oils in the middle, and then reset in the middle, something like that. Okay, but I just did it before, so it not showing that right here. Sometimes it become red color, so that's mean we have to do reset. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.